Hi, this is going to be a video on the Optima XM that I installed probably about 3 days ago. A nice lady who lives at the top of our road gave me the panel and a few other intruder alarm accessories. So there's the panel on the wall. I've made a video on how to change the code. So got the panic button, connectors there on the main door, then on the window some more connectors, and of course the wires just go up, they go round across the top of the fire alarm panel and into the panel. There's also a PIR. I've put it over there because there's the door and there's the panel. If I put it there or in the corner so it's looking at the whole room, before I have a chance to get to the panel it will have sounded the alarm because it will have seen me already, if you get me. Set it off with a bit of motion. There you go, there's a little LED. So this is going to be a demo. Now that's just part of the old little system that I made. I've just left the rest of that in. So basically there's two sounders. One's out here, that one, with blue strobe on the bottom. And I kept forgetting to put this in my videos, but there's also a vented bell box there. I don't know if you can see, there's the wire going in. But anyway, the thing with that is, right, that was a dummy box and I've just put a siren in to make it live. So now there's two bell boxes. Right, so I'll do a test anyway. I can't leave the alarm ringing for long though because I don't want to disturb the neighbours. Right, okay. So I'll set the alarm. I'll quick set it. Right, now I'll set it off by the motion detector. Very loud. And as you can see, that detector is on zone 2, so zone 2 has lit up. Let's just reset that. We will now do it by the door contacts. So I'll set the alarm again. I'll quick set it. Open the door. The panel starts counting down. Final seconds to put the code in before the alarm will go off. There we go, the alarm's now going off. So that's zone 1. That connector, reset that. Now we'll do it by the window contacts, and then last but not least the panic button. I'll just unhook the window ready because it saves me undoing all the gubbins when I'm going to do it. Anyway, there's the contacts up there. So like I said, I got this panel for free from a lady who lives up the street from me. She knows I like my alarms and all that, so she gave it me for free. Right, 1972 is the code. I'll open the window. So that's zone 3. Zone 3's gone off because that's the zone the contacts are on. Reset that. Then last but not least, I'll do the panic button. So you'd use the panic button, say like you were being robbed or something, or you had a heart attack, I don't know, you're in serious trouble. You can just press that button and it'll set the alarm off. And as you can see, the attack light has come on because I've pressed the panic button, or personal attack button, or the PA button as some people call it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.